Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new features that we added to the Loyalty Dashboard. The Loyalty Dashboard, as you may be aware, allows you to make changes to your branded app, set up your loyalty program, add different loyalty program options, and also customize certain aspects of how the app looks when it's first opened or when the ordering process is being made. So to get to the Loyalty Dashboard, there's a URL that we send to you. Once you click on it, log in with your username and password, and then you'll see the screen here has a dashboard, loyalty program, and all these other settings here. I have made another video going over all the other features. So in this video, I'm only going to focus on the mobile app settings. If you want to learn more about overall how this thing works, check out my other video on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the splash screen. We've had this for a while, but I want to talk about it once more in case you have not utilized it yet. So the splash screen is basically saying what happens when the app is first opened. What kind of message should the customer see, right? So should the customer see like a specific text or just your logo, or you want to mention something to them, right? So right now it says the default message, which is the one that comes with it. So you may have to want to change that. See, it says earn loyalty. Actually, this is not a default message. This is a message that we added, but yours may say something different, right? So you can actually change this. I'm going to change it real quick. Thank you for ordering from our brand app. Start earning points today. Okay, again, you can write any message you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the app. Remember, to see the new message that you've added, you have to press save here, and then once it's saved, you want to go ahead and open the app up again, and then the new message shows up, right? I'm not sure if you saw that, but it shows up very quickly. It's about 3 to 5 seconds, right? There it is, and it goes right to the menu. Okay, now the next thing I want to talk about is splash screen image. So this is very nice because you can actually change the splash screen image. So by default, it's a very plain generic splash screen, which is just that. I'm going to change to this one. Make sure when you upload the image that it's less than 15, actually less than 10 megabytes, and the ratio does not exceed these numbers here, okay? So once this is processed, give it about 1 minute to go through, because it takes about 1 minute for it to reach the iOS and the Android apps so that new customers can see it. So since mine is uploaded now, I'm going to press save, and I'm going to wait about a minute before I show it to you. While I'm waiting for this to process, I'm going to talk about the latest feature that we added called the enhanced homepage. This one is very interesting because you can get very creative with this setup here. You can do a featured article, a featured image. When I say featured image, meaning that you don't have to make it to an article, you can just upload an image, mention what it is, and then that image will show up on your branded app. So let me go ahead and delete this one because it's very plain. There's no image to it. See, as you can see, I did not add an image to it. Okay, delete this one here. Obviously, I'm going to delete this one too because this is not related to a restaurant. You want to make sure your articles are consistent with the restaurant. But let's do this. Let me add one more article here so I can show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to press create. It says you can add the article link right away, or you can skip it. Article title, I can go to a website and where you can find some images here. Let's go ahead and use this image here. This image is okay to use because it gives you the download option. Where's copy image address? Right there. You can also download it, but I'm going to just use the address, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the image URL right here. And then I'm also going to put the article link is, if you write something about this picture here, just put the link here. But since I have not wrote anything about this picture, I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to say great food or something like that. Our new offering. Okay, so I can make it featured, or I cannot make it featured. When you make it featured, it basically scrolls left and right, horizontal. It goes left and right. If you don't make it featured, it goes up and down. So I'm going to make it go up and down. I'm going to press save. I'm going to go ahead and close the app, open it again, and you should see the new splash screen image, which was that picture of the bowl I uploaded earlier. And then I should see my our new offering right there. And then if I had a link to it, I can click on the link. This one has a link to it, and I click on it, it takes me to the image. So again, I can make the image big again. So you can get very creative with this feature. You can link it to other sources. You can collect surveys. You can put Google Docs on there. Google Docs, what I mean is, like, you can ask information from the merchant, from the customer. Like, you can put a survey, how are we doing? Would you recommend a friend? Or you can put a pop-up, which is a pop-up, by the way, Google Docs, because it's like a form they fill out. You can also get creative and put the Yelp link on there. You can do a lot of things, but you want to make sure that you only use links where you don't want them to start reading it and then from there go to another link and go to another link, and then they soon forget to order from your branded app. So you want to make sure where the call to action is just enough information for them, so that way they come back and order from your branded app. These ideas I'm giving you is for you to give the customers an idea of what's happening at your business. Like, did you recently get a great review? Were you recently talked about on an article? Did somebody mention you on Instagram? Are you having some new food offering that you want to share with your customers? So these are things you want to share and get the word out. Okay, that's what this setting is here for. And again, we're going to be adding more technology, more features here. So check back often. You'll see some new features here pretty soon. And one of the features that we'll have is, in addition to showing points, how many points the customer has, it will also have the ability to do a reorder from their previous orders. So check back here often with new exciting features that we'll be adding. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more, please watch my other videos on other features that we have for the loyalty dashboard, as well as the smart online order dashboard as well. All right, that's it for this video, and please do share what you have done with this new feature, so we can see how creative you have been using, how creative your ideas have become by using this new feature right here. Okay, and then make mention in the comments, so we can take a look at your app and see what you have done, so we can get ideas from your creativity. All right, that's it for this video. Talk to you soon. Thank you.